Imagine two people. One spends hours every day working for someone else, trading time for money. The other? They're building digital products, creating assets that earn for them around the clock. Here's the truth. Most people don't actually have an income problem. What they have is a monetization problem. You already have valuable skills. Maybe you're great at writing, designing, coding, teaching, editing videos, or even just researching. But instead of treating those skills like assets, most people simply trade them for one-time payments and move on. The wealthy, though, do things differently. They productize their skills, turning them into systems and products that pay them again and again, long after the work is done. That's what this video is all about. Helping you transform your skills into wealth by building systems that make your money work as hard as you do. Let's start with step 1, identifying your most marketable skill. Take a moment to ask yourself a few questions. What do people already come to you for help with? What feels effortless to you, but seems difficult for others? And what skill could you teach, automate, or offer as a service? For example, if you're a strong writer, you could sell blog content, create an ebook, or launch an online course. If you're a designer, you might sell templates, thumbnails, or branding kits. If you're into tech, you could build automations, AI workflows, or simple websites for small businesses. Here's a pro tip. Use a tool like ChatGPT or Claude and prompt it with, "List 10 ways to monetize your skill in 2025. You'll be surprised at the creative ideas that come back. Now, let's move to step 2, automating your skill using AI tools. AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to multiply your impact. Writers can use tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai to create outlines, ads, or client content much faster. Designers can use Canva Magic Studio or Leonardo.ai to produce batches of client designs in minutes. Marketers can use Opus Clip to repurpose videos or Bardeen to automate social posting. Educators can use Notion AI or LearnWorlds to package their expertise into a course. With AI, you shift from being a worker to being a creator. And creators don't just trade time for money, they build systems that scale. Step 3 is where the magic happens, turning your skill into an income-generating asset. The golden rule here is simple. Don't sell your time, sell transformation. For example, a writer can turn their expertise into an ebook or a content strategy guide. A designer can build a Canva template pack or a brand starter kit. A marketer can create a course or an AI prompts bundle. The beauty is, you create it once and sell it forever. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or LearnCourses.us make it easy to set up your digital storefront and start earning. Every digital asset you create becomes a mini money machine, growing your income and your audience at the same time. But having a great product isn't enough. You need attention. Pick one platform, YouTube, LinkedIn, or TikTok, and post consistently. Share behind-the-scenes content, your process, and your results. People buy from those they trust, so focus on creating value and building credibility. You don't need millions of followers, just 100 true fans who believe in what you offer. That's how every profitable brand begins. To sum it all up, here's your 3-step wealth system. First, create value by offering something people genuinely need. Second, automate delivery using AI tools to save time and scale. Third, build visibility by posting, teaching, and connecting with your audience. This is how everyday creators and freelancers turn simple skills into 5-figure monthly incomes and real financial independence. So here's your challenge. Pick one skill, one AI tool, and one platform, and start today. Your first dollar from your skill changes everything because it proves you can create wealth from your own potential. If this inspired you, like, subscribe, and comment below with, "I'm building my digital wealth." And if you want a follow-up video on turning your skill into a $10,000 digital business using AI, let me know below. Your journey to monetization mastery starts now.